The U.S. economy expanded at its fastest pace in almost 4 years. Gross domestic product grew at a 4.1% annualized rate in the second quarter. That was in line with economists' expectations. What's more, the previous quarter's growth was revised upward. Fueling that growth, spending by consumers and the government, and farmers who rushed shipments of soybeans to China before trade tariffs took effect in early July. Fannie Mae's chief economist Douglas Duncan says this could mark the peak in quarterly economic growth.
We think we'll see some slowdown the second half of the year. In part, there was some pulling forward of activity prior to the invoking of some tariffs that was part of what was going on. The initial impulse of the tax bill and the stimulus that went along with that. So we think it will slow down to maybe 2 3/4 in the second half, or somewhere between 2.5 and 2 3/4.
Strong second quarter growth will keep the Federal Reserve on track to raise interest rates 2 more times this year. But economists question whether that growth can continue at this pace in the face of trade tensions and rising rates.